When you get into a tight place and everything goes against you, never give up, for that is just the place and time that the tide will turn. Harriet Beecher Stowe. My friends, if you saw what I was posting yesterday on X, if you listened to the show yesterday, you know I've been waiting for the setup that we have seen as the week has ended. I'd like a spinning top. I have a doji here, but that is enough as we have the volume matching up with the dying of the market. Of course, to go short on the S&P, we will, of course, instigate all of our protections to make sure that if things go against us, we minimize the losses here. But it looks like this up move is dying. Did you pull the trigger this afternoon? Did you go ahead and say, hey, I'm going to do a down move on the S&P 500? What is that? Well, of course, we've been feeding this to you throughout the last couple of weeks. Also, the short on the S&P, this is a single short, is SH. Now, again, if you're not familiar with these, my friends, of course, we are not a stock calling service. We're an education firm. We always encourage you to practice all of these things. If the market does indeed roll over and go down, SH will be going up percent for percent. Not the same dollar amounts, because you can see it's very inexpensive. So if you were going to, say, fractionally trade this, you could buy 2 shares, spend just a little over $80. And again, track yourself and see how good you can do with it. If you lose 10%, hey, it's only $8. That's what we do when you move from practice trading, that is from literally just paper trading, into something that gives you a little more realistic feel. But that is where we are on the S&P. You can see since Tuesday, it has been tracking up after they had that big down day on Monday, and then on Friday started rotating over. We'll see where it goes over the course of this next week. Didn't have the same setup with the NASDAQ. We didn't have the volume. We had that interim high way back here, went down for a while, popped up, and then just sort of sliding sideways. It is down for the day 1.26%. It may be going down too, but not giving us the same signals. And remember, we want the right signals. Bonds are pulling back today. You can see down in the morning, not quite as much in the afternoon. First day of the latest 2-day candle backing off quite a bit from that prior one. But a nice week with increasing volume. Beautiful, still long bonds. What's up with gold? Gold up 0.18%. A beautiful week for gold. Opening 253.08 on the Heikin Ashi candlestick to a high of 266. So 253 to 266 plus. So again, that is absolutely beautiful. $13.30 odd cents. That is a gorgeous up week in gold. You can see it was up in the morning, pulled back some in the afternoon, still up a little bit for the day, and a big up week. And again, this 2-day candle, about already up over half the way to the average volume. But again, gold moving nicely. What about Bitcoin? Still pulling back. Had a big down day on Monday with Bitcoin like stocks. That was Monday morning. And then since then, pulling back, did pop up in the morning today, but then pulled back down 1.29%. Down week, lots of volume. We can see how the volume on the 2 days been decreasing, spinning top right now. So we'll keep our eye on things, see where Bitcoin goes over the course of this next week. I'm hoping, my friends, we're going to get ourselves a good setup here soon in Bitcoin where it pulls back. We get lots of volume, then a nice interim low and a turnaround with a green spinning top that just sends us off in the right direction. Hope that you had a great week trading. I sure enjoy each and every week here with you. If you don't have a copy of my new book, The 3-Wave Trade Method, oh man, you need it. How do you get it? Well, you do like Lily did. She just joined us as a Patreon member. First thing she got in her first email was the book. She got the ebook. That is the way we have it published. You can download it to Kindle or to Google Books, and it is right there with you all the time. Also, she got the 3 lessons that we have in Options Made Simple, the Charting Wealth Way, and all the other good stuff. $30 a month is our lowest level of sponsorship. You want to support what we do here at $1 a day, which you appreciate, helping underwrite the costs of the channel that we bring to you each and every day for free. Plus you get all those bonuses. God bless my friends. All the best from the whole team at Charting Wealth World Headquarters.